with only 59,748 miles. This vehicle is loaded from the Mark Levinson sound system, the dual heated or ventilated seats. You have hidden wireless charger right here for your storage. You also have your EV mode because it's a hybrid. Leather wrapped shifter. You got the high gloss right here. Yeah, nice. Power telescopic and power tilting steering wheel. You have your home link. Nice classic clock right there, as well as the navigation system. Make sure I put it in back. Nice clear look at the backup camera as well. Lexus kick plate illuminated, as you see here. You got your windows controlled, as well as your optional when it comes to the programming of your vehicle's seats. And this is the one that you've been looking for. We thank you so much. With so many photos online, there's only one thing we like to do, and that's give you a high definition video of every single vehicle that you're looking at. Show you things a little bit more close up, like the March 2026 registration, all the fine details of the body, and everything that you want to see before you come and spend your time and invest in this 2021 Lexus ES 300h luxury package in the Moonbeam Beige Metallic. That's the Linear Espresso wood that I'm going to do more highlights on. Cali Blue Book, trusted since 1926, 33,488. Now, if you go to the description in the link, that'll get you right to where the updated pricing is. So don't hesitate to go ahead and look at that, as well as subscribe and like. Check out the rest of our page. We have all of our inventory right there for you to check a look at in high definition here at Tracy Honda. Brand new Honda dealership, 3450 Auto Plaza Way, Tracy, California, 95304. We have a brand ambassador here. That gentleman or that lady will make sure you get a fantastic experience while you're taking a look at this premium vehicle here at the dealership. You got your high-speed USB ports right here. Those are USB-A's, or you can just go ahead and put in an outlet. You also have your rear ventilation. Here's a look from the back to the front. No odors, no smells, no rips, no tears, no punctures. Taking a look at the LED lighting, which is going to be phenomenal when it comes to getting something in the evening time when it's dark or if you don't have as much lighting. And there's your cup holder here. You also have a pass-through in case you need to grab something really quick out your trunk area. Just want to go ahead and, just because it's here, just show off the trunk. Also like the fact you got this rear bumper applique stamped with the Lexus right there for you. So I believe the forgive me for not being an expert at the brand here, but there you have nice protection here. Your all-weather mats we're going to install after you get your purchase, so no random feet are on here. You also got your cargo tray there, and what you want to do is just kind of like lift up this carpet that's also protecting it as well. I don't know if you can see it or not, but you just kind of grab this hook, lift it up, and there you go. Got your spare kit there. So all this and more, come on down here in person. We'd love to make sure, again, you get a professional demonstration, VIP test drive. The wheels are in great shape, the body's in great shape, always looking good in the color that it is. And again, thank you so much for taking the time you have to do this brief walk around here, but it looks way better in person. The only thing that looks better than that is you driving off in it, driving it, and loving it for many more years and many more miles.